Hey everyone, it's Janet Parks with Janet's Personalized Solutions for Sellers, and I'm going to show you a super fun booking game that you can play with a spin wheel. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, I'm so excited to show you this Spin It to Win It booking game because I've played it a few times, and not only has it helped me book parties, but it's helped me add extra orders as well. So the reason why I think the spinning wheel is just an exciting prop to use in your business is because it's something exciting, it's something new, it's something fresh. And if you ever grew up watching The Price is Right, or if you ever went to the local fair and you saw or you ever got to spin a wheel for a free prize, you know that it's an exciting time. People get excited to win something free. So it's kind of the same idea, but you're just implementing it in your business to where it'll work for you. So why not make a fun booking game with a spin wheel? So I'll put some details in the description below where you can find this particular one, but there's different ones that you can purchase. If you didn't want to purchase a spin wheel, because they can run a little pricey, this one was $40. You can also get a children's See and Say and just replace the pictures with prizes. Cut out little pieces of construction paper, write down the prizes, and then replace take some tape or some glue and just have it cover up the animal pictures. So when you pull the lever, it'll still spin, but it'll land on a prize. You might hear like a moo or little animal noise in the background, but it just makes it fun and exciting, and it might get a chuckle out of the guests. So just have fun with it, ladies. However you decide to do it, have fun with it. So what you want to do first is you want to first decide on your prizes, okay? Decide what prizes work for you and work best for your budget, okay? And you can do it a number of different ways. You can do half the wheel discount prizes and the other half booking prizes, totally up to you. Or you can do the entire wheel discount prizes if you're low on purchases in a party and you just want to ramp up some purchases for your hostess. Or you can do the entire thing booking prizes if you're low on bookings. So just use this wheel how it would work best in your business. That's your goal, right? So the first thing that I would do is I would take a really nice picture of the spinning wheel with the decided prizes on there, okay? I would take a picture maybe outside where the lighting is a little bit better, and I would have a clear background with no distractions, just kind of a blank background with just the spin wheel as your focus, okay? And then I would post something like this with this post, if you're doing this online. Ladies, I can't wait to play our new Spin It to Win It game. Who's excited about winning a prize? What prize do you want to win? Open it, end it with an open-ended question. That helps a lot because it gets people wanting to answer the question. And you have to make sure that you're tagging people in this post as well so that everyone gets an opportunity to see this game and what you're going to do with it and the spin wheel. So it's just make that first post exciting, end it with an open-ended question, have your prices already decided, and make sure that you tag everyone in it as well. So after you have this post, make sure that you are clear about what time and what date you're going to go live. Make sure you're clear on that. Just very similar to the other booking games, the gift bag booking game and the bingo game. And then when you actually go live on your Facebook parties, you want to have this right next to you, okay? So you're gonna be right here on the camera, maybe a little too on one side, but you wanna have the spin wheel right next to you. So you wanna start talking about maybe 1 to 2 minutes, again, on your monthly special, okay? You want your guests to know and hear what the monthly special is. And then you want to spend maybe 3 to 4 minutes on hosting, hostess rewards, maybe talk about the hostess in which party that you're already in, talk about if she already has rewards, where she's at, and how easy it is to host a party and how much fun it is. Okay, so very similar again to the other booking games. You want to kind of start it off the same way. And if you have prizes handy that you have on your spinning wheel, go ahead and show those prizes. So monthly special, 1 to 2 minutes. Hosting and advantages of hosting and your reward system, 3 to 4 minutes. And then showing prizes, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Don't take too much time showing the prizes. But all of this is intended to get your guests excited, engaged, chatting, and asking questions, right? That's what you want. You want people excited and engaged because you're about to play a really fun booking game right afterwards. So once you do all of that, then it's time to play with the spinning wheel. So what I do, or one thing that you could do, is you can say something to get things going. You can say something like, the first person to say I love 31 gets the first spin. Go. And then you'll have ladies comment, I love 31. So then the first person that comments gets a spin. And then whatever it lands on, as you can see, my spin wheel just says prize all over it. But whatever it lands on, if the whole wheel is a booking wheel, whatever it lands on, you want to make sure that you're super excited announcing the prize, and you're going to assume they're going to take the booking for the prize. Okay, I know that might be difficult, but don't hesitate. Just be confident and just keep it moving, keep it rolling, okay? Just how excited I am right now and how I'm talking to you and explaining this to you, you want to talk to your guests the same way. Super excited and amped up and excited that they won a prize. They just have to book. So I would say something like this. Congratulations, so-and-so. You just won a free candle. How exciting is that? And you get to choose the scent. So all you have to do to claim the prize is comment below with your party date, and what we'll do is I'll message you right afterwards. I'll let you know the shipping date of your prize, and then we'll talk details on your party. Just like that. Just like that. You want to just assume she's going to take the booking. Okay, it landed on the prize. She came to play the game. She came to win a prize, but she's got a book, right? Now, if you don't have booking prizes, if you end up having a discount prize, then you can kind of do it the same way. The first one to type in bippity boppity boo in the comments gets to get the first spin. And then if it lands on a discount prize, then you can say, congratulations, so-and-so. You just won $5 off of this monthly purchase. So if you're probably gonna be, it's probably gonna be easier for you to announce the discount prizes rather than the hosting or booking a party prizes. You just have to make sure that in your mind you're putting them both in the same category. Okay, so when you're announcing the discount prize, it's the same idea. You're giving them a discount because you're gonna assume that they're going to purchase, right? Same idea with booking. You're giving them a gift or a prize because you're going to assume they're going to book. Same thing, right? So congratulations, so-and-so, you won $5 off of your monthly purchase. So excited for you. Whenever you're ready to purchase, go ahead and send me a message so that I can help you during checkout and do whatever I need to do to give you that discounted price. And obviously you don't want to add that, do whatever I need to do. I just added that there because every direct sales company is different how they do discounts and stuff like that. So you want to just put both booking a prize or booking a party for a prize and adding a discount for a purchase in the same category, okay? Put it in the same level. And so you have to make sure when you're announcing these prizes that you're consistent. You're excited, you're assuming they're just going to accept the prize, and you're moving on to the next person. Congratulations, you won that, fantastic. Go ahead and comment below with the party date, and I'll comment and I will message you later for details. Now, as you know, you don't want to wait a minute, you just want to go ahead and go to the next person. Okay, so the next person that types in the word, types in maybe my favorite product from this direct sales company is, and they list their favorite product. The first person to say their favorite product gets a spin. So you're just going to the next person, okay? You want to just keep it, not robotic, but systematic like that, okay? Keep it exciting, keep it quick, keep it informative, and at the same time, just make sure that energy level is up. This is a fun game, and they're going to be winning prizes. So you don't want to have that energy level low, okay? So I hope this was helpful, ladies. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below. And also, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I go live or post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.